Hi, I'm Steph Harley from Synovia Physiotherapy, and for the past 4 months we have been using the GPS Leonardo with our patients. We've had great experiences. It's been a wonderful experience measuring global posture in our patients, and in this short series of videos I want to explain some of the main features that have impressed us so that it will help you make your decision whether you want to go into global posture analysis or not. The total posture frame here is actually one of the more important parts of the GPS Leonardo system. It's where the patient will stand in order to have their global posture photographs taken. The total posture is completely encased within the frame or within the platform of the GPS Leonardo. This means that it cannot be moved by accident and that there's always a very good alignment between the camera and the total posture frame. We have a nice place where we can hang our plumb line and make sure that the plumb line always in the photographs falls right in the middle of the target here where the patient is standing. And on the total posture frame, the mirror is very important as well. One of the things that Kinesport did was actually make this much higher so that also tall people like basketball players can stand in the total posture. Now the total posture mirror is actually quite important because it will allow us to see top down in the photographs. It has one side with frames or with grid, and then the other side is only with a plumb line. So all of this falls neatly together in your photographs, together with also the target on the floor where the patients have to stand, so that your photographs become more consistent and are always aligned.